Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can stop notifications in the Duolingo app, for example on your Android. So let us begin. So launch the Duolingo application on your Android, and let's assume you don't want to receive these notifications on your phone or via email anymore by Duolingo, for instance for your learning progress, or if a friend has sent you a message, and so on and so forth. You can disable these notifications permanently or temporarily here on Duolingo by launching the Duolingo application, by heading over to your profile, by tapping into that face or smiling face icon here at the bottom, and by tapping into that gear icon here in the top right. What you want to do after that is scroll down or swipe down till you get to the notification section. Here simply turn on or off each notification type you would like to keep or turn off. Like for example, the SMS reminder, the reminder or notification for practices, for your learning, for the smart scheduling, for your weekly progress, for example, if you have new friends and for your friends' activity, and so on and so forth, guys. So simply turn on or off each of these notification types. And after that, don't forget to tap into save in the top right to save your new notification settings. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.